Hello, Kai.
Hello, teacher.
Where is Rick, Kai? Where is Rick? Yes. Is he
Mhm.
still sleeping?
Yeah,
Yes. Oh no. Okay, so I guess we'll start the class, just the two of us. How are you feeling, Kai? Are you okay?
yes.
Yes, you are. What did you do yesterday, Kai?
I go to school.
Oh, you went to school. I thought it's summer break. Okay, so you went to school. What about today? Are you going to school too?
Yes,
Oh, I see. Is your school near your house, Kai?
yes.
Oh, that's good. So, how do you go to school? Do you walk or you ride a motorbike?
Motorbike.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good. Now, Kai, we have here weather events. Now, can you tell me, Kai, what is shown in this picture? Okay, take your time, Kai. Okay, now can you tell me what is shown in this picture, Kai? It's the
Mountain.
Yes, it's the weather. As you can see, we have sunny, cloudy, snowy, and stormy. Now, what about in here, Kai? What weather is it? What's the weather like?
Cloudy.
Very good. It is cloudy. What about in this one?
It is sunny.
Very good. And what about here? Look at the trees.
It is windy.
Very good. What about in this picture, Kai?
It is snowy.
And the last one we have.
It is rainy.
Very good. What about in your place, Kai? What's the weather like?
It is cloudy.
Oh, it's cloudy. Did it rain yesterday, Kai?
Um,
Did it rain yesterday?
uh,
Oh no, it did not. What's the weather like in the afternoon? Was it sunny?
cloudy.
Oh, it's still cloudy. Okay, now in here, Kai, I want you to look at the pictures and what do you think the weather is like outside? Like, for example, in here, he's wearing a raincoat, boots, and even holding an umbrella, which means it's rainy. Now, what's the weather like, Kai? What's the weather like? It's Look at the picture, Kai. It's See, she's wearing a hat, sunglasses, and even holding a bottle of lemonade. What do you think the weather is like, Kai? Is it cloudy, sunny, windy, snowy, or rainy? Yes, Kai. What do you think the weather is like outside, Kai? Look at the second picture, Kai.
Sunny.
Okay, very good. It's sunny. Now, what about for the third one? What do you think the weather is like outside? She's holding a kite, which means probably the weather is. What's the weather like outside, guys? She's holding a kite. Okay, take your time, Kai. Oh, what do you think? It's. What do you think, Kai? Oh, hello, Rick. Good morning, Rick.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you feeling, Rick? Are you still sleepy or you're ready to learn now?
I'm not sleeping.
Oh, you're not sleepy. That's good. Okay, now we're talking about weather events, Rick. Now, can you tell me the answer for the third one? She's holding a kite, Rick. So, what do you think the weather is like outside? Do you think, oh, wait, who wrote this? Okay, so it's windy.
Windy.
Yes, very good, windy. Now, he's holding a shovel and as well as wearing a coat. What do you think is the weather like outside? What do you think, guy? Do you know the answer, Rick? It's, is it? Oh. Okay, yes, very good. It's snowy. Okay, and the last one, we can see Grandma holding an umbrella. So, what do you think is the weather like outside? What is the weather like?
Sunny.
It's okay, very good. It's sunny, Rick. It's sunny. Okay, because we're done with rainy, which is the example one. See, he's wearing raincoat, boots, and holding an umbrella, which means it's raining. Okay, now let us have the next one. Can you tell me what's the best weather for a trip to the park?
Sunny.
Oh, yes, indeed, it's sunny. Do you like going to the park, Kai?
Yes.
Yes, wow. What can we do at the park?
We can eat.
Oh, we can eat. Yes, that's correct. What else we can eat?
We can eat cake. Cake.
Oh, we can eat cake at the park. Okay, and we can as well play at the park. We can ride our bike. We can run. Okay, now, do you like winter, Rick?
Yeah.
Yes, you do. Okay, so you like the cold weather. What about summer? Do you like summer, Kai?
Yes.
Oh, yes, too. Is summer your favorite season, Kai?
Yes.
Oh, yes. What about you, Rick? Is winter your favorite season? Rick? What is your favorite season, Rick?
Awesome.
Oh, autumn. Wow. Okay, now let us have this one. I want you to listen to the audio and number the pictures. Let's start now.
D. Listen again and number the pictures. 1,
It's hot this morning.
Oh.
It's sunny, too.
And the days are long.
This is a fun season.
2,
Very
Brr,
good, Kai.
it's
Very
so
good.
cold.
It's snowy,
Oh.
And it's cloudy, too. And the days are short.
but I like the snow.
Yes, it's
3,
snowy.
It's warm today. It's rainy, too.
Yeah. And look at the trees. I see small green buds.
Okay,
Hey,
very
I see a
good,
bird's nest, too.
Rick. That's correct, Kai. Which means the last
4,
one is that one.
It's cool and very windy today. Wow, this is fun.
Yeah. Look at this leaf. It's red and yellow.
That's pretty.
Okay. Well done to the both of you. Now, can you tell me what are the 4 seasons?
Spring, summer, autumn, winter.
Wow, that's so quick. Okay, yes, that's correct, Rick. Thank you so much. Very good. Very alert, Rick. Now, let us have this one now. Listen and repeat, then practice. Okay. Have you tried playing in the snow?
No.
Oh, not yet. Okay, maybe in the future. Okay, so now we'll have this one. We'll talk about compound nouns. Now, sometimes we can put 2 words together to make a new word, and this word is called a compound noun. Like, for example, we have rain. And then we have coat. We'll put them together. We have a new word. It's raincoat. Okay, so raincoat is a compound noun. It is made by combining 2 words together. Okay, rain plus coat, raincoat. Now, let us try this activity in here. I want you to match it. Okay, so we have here pictures. Now, can you tell me what is okay? Very good, Rick. We have star and fish. Starfish. What else? Okay, we have blue and bird. Bluebird. And the last one, door and bell. Doorbell. Okay, very good. Okay, now can you give me another example of compound nouns, Sky? Can you give me another example of compound noun, Kai?
Yellowstone.
What, Kai? Okay, can you write it? Like, for example, we have sun and then flower. Now we have sunflower. What else? Do you have an idea, Rick? Can you give me another example of compound noun, Rick?
Arm. Chair. Chair.
Oh, it's
Chair.
arm.
Chair.
It's not chair arm, it's armchair, right? Armchair. Arm and chair. We have armchair. Yes, that's right. Thank you so much. Now we'll proceed to another one. Okay, Unit 8, get ready. Okay, so now let us talk about these pictures. Can you tell me, Kai, what is he doing?
He is watch.
Okay, he is watching. Now, after is are and am, Kai. Okay, he is, right? We will add ing, Kai. So it has to be he is watching. Okay, he is watching the ant. Okay, now, what about in here, Rick? What are they doing?
Building a snowman.
Yes, very good. They're building a snowman. What's he doing, Kai?
Build a tree house.
Okay, yes, he's building a tree house. What are they doing, Rick?
Swing.
Yes, they're making a swing. What about them, Kai? What are they making?
Make apple pie.
Okay, yes, making apple pie. Oh, wait. Do you know how to cook, Kai? Do you know
No.
how to? Nope. What about you, Rick? Do you know how to cook?
No.
Oh, no. Okay, that's fine. Now we have your picture of a plant and it is
Row.
growing. Yes, that's correct. What happened to the apple, Kai?
Ball.
Okay, yes, it is falling. And what's the girl doing?
Ring.
Okay, she's bringing some food. Very good. That's great. Now, let us have this one, and all you have to do is to encircle the correct answers. Like, for example, we make these things. Okay, of course, we can make an apple pie, and we can make a swing, but we can't make a sand. What about for the second one? We build these things. What can we build? Okay, yes, very good. A snowman and a tree house. Great job, Rick. Now, can you answer the third one, Kai? Oh, Rick is answering it already. Okay. Oh, Rick is answering it so quickly. What about for four? We grow these things. Okay, trees and flowers. Very good, Guy. Very good, Rick. Now, these things fall. Okay, very good. Apples and leaves. And we can bring someone these things. Okay, very good. Apple pie and flowers. There you have it. Very good, Guy. Great job as well, Rick. Thank you so much for that. Now, okay, Have you tried growing a flower, Kai?
No.
Oh no, not yet. Okay, and that's fine. You're still young. Now, let us proceed to this one. What do you do in the summer, Kai? What do you do in the summer?
Down to school.
Oh, go to school. I thought it's summer break. Wait, I thought it's your summer break.
Tôi tưởng đó là kỳ nghỉ hè của bạn.
Okay, so you have to go to school. What don't you do in the summer, Rick?
Go to school.
Oh, you don't go to school in the summer? What don't you do?
I
I don't, like for example, I don't go to the beach in summer.
I go to the supermarket.
Okay, supermarket. You don't go to the supermarket. Okay. Maybe it's just your mom who will go to the supermarket. Now, let us have this one. What are you making, Kai? Are you making a donut?
Yes.
Okay, it looks good, Kai. Now, we have here matching story, picture, and caption. The first one, can you read it, Rick?
In the summer, Mackerel goes to the beach with his family. It's hot and sunny. They swim in the ocean and play on the beach.
Okay, very good. And which picture matches that text, Rick? Is it A, B, or C? Okay, yes, very good. Now it's your turn to read it, Kai.
Big green frog. This pond in the spring. The pond gets warm and there are a lot of insects that rock like the spring.
Okay, can you match it as well? Oh, it's circle now, Kai. Okay, yes, but I know you're answering C. Now your turn to answer 3, Rick.
In the summer, many flowers grow in the fields and woods. Flowers are many different colors and even flower has a name.
Very good. Okay, do you have flowers in your house, Rick?
No,
Oh no, you don't. What do you have in your house then?
I have orange.
Oh, you have an orange. Okay. That's yummy. Okay, now let us proceed. Oh, what happened to your donut, Kai? Why did it turn black? It's burned, Kai. Okay, let me erase it now and we'll proceed to the next one. Oh, we have here the seasons of Arnold's apple tree. Okay, let's just read this one. Okay, can you read this one, Kai?
Spring. My name is Arnold.
Arnold.
Arnold. 4, 3. It's my busy all year.
I
Watch
watch
buds grow on my apple tree. They grow into apple blossom. I watch on these collect nature
Nectar?
The blossoms. I make a room for my apple tree.
Very good, Kai. Well read. Now it's your turn to read this one, Rick. It's summer.
It's summer. I built a tree house in my apple tree. My apple tree shaded me from the hot sun. I watched small apple begin to grow. Just I
Juggle.
juggled some green apples on my tree.
Okay, well done. Okay, very good. Well read, both of you, Kai and Rick. Now, that would be end of our class today, so Teacher Mary will continue the rest next meeting. Thank you so much. Goodbye, Kai. Goodbye, Rick.
Goodbye, teacher.